the smartphone world is getting ready for one of the most futuristic devices we've ever seen, and that is Samsung's upcoming TriFold phone, expected to launch as the Galaxy Z TriFold. This isn't just another foldable. It's a phone that can unfold twice, turning into a massive 10-inch device. At that size, it's hard to even call it a phone anymore. It's basically a tablet that fits in your pocket. For months, people believed the Galaxy Z TriFold would be extremely expensive, maybe even hitting the $3,000 mark. But new reports suggest the price could actually be lower than expected. Instead of $3,000, and the latest rumor points to a price tag of around $2,499. Now, that's still far from cheap, but saving $500 compared to earlier predictions is definitely a pleasant surprise. For comparison, Huawei's Mate X T foldable sold for around $2,800. Samsung seems to be undercutting it while still offering just as advanced, if not more advanced, technology. And interestingly, the rumored $2,499 price is only $100 more than what analysts expect the iPhone Fold to cost at launch. But with the Galaxy Z TriFold, you're getting a device with 2 folding points instead of 1. That alone puts Samsung in a completely different category. So, what exactly do you get for this kind of money? According to reliable leaks, the Galaxy Z TriFold will come with a huge 10-inch internal display that reaches up to 1600 nits of brightness. When folded, you'll be using a 6.5-inch external screen that can go all the way up to 2600 nits. That's incredibly bright, especially for outdoor use. The camera setup is also expected to be impressive. The main camera may feature a 200-megapixel sensor, giving users high-resolution shots similar to Samsung's top flagship phones. The battery is rumored to be rated at 5437 mAh, which is quite large for a foldable device, especially one with this many moving parts. Samsung is also expected to use a Snapdragon chipset, although the exact model hasn't been confirmed yet. One interesting detail is the thickness of the device when folded. Instead of all 3 folding sections being identical, reports say the panels may measure 3.9 mm, 4 mm, and 4.2 mm. This means the phone may not look perfectly symmetrical when folded, but Samsung clearly has functional reasons behind this unusual design choice. However, even if you're ready to buy it, the biggest challenge may not be the price. It might be availability. Current reports suggest that Samsung is planning to release the Galaxy Z TriFold only in select regions at first. These include China, Singapore, the UAE, and South Korea. That means the US and Europe may not get the device when it launches on December 5. For fans in those regions, the only option may be to import it, which is possible but not always ideal. There's also some confusion about the release timeline. A report claimed the device would be unveiled on December 5, but earlier rumors suggested a wider reveal sometime before the end of 2025 with a very limited release in 2026. The pricing rumors have also jumped around. One leak pointed to a price of around 4.4 million Korean won, which is roughly $3,000, making it 50% more expensive than the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now the new rumor suggests $2,499 instead, making it cheaper than Huawei's Mate X T by about $300. Whatever the final number ends up being,